Okay, folks, doing a spider in an Astro van, 99 Astro. And, okay, so we got this snap-on light. I think it's a Milwaukee? Yeah, it's a Milwaukee. Milwaukee overhead light. Probably 300, 250 bucks. It's attached to the roof. And that's wonderful light, isn't it? Okay? And you're illuminating. The only reason there's any light inside on the top of this engine is because there's another small silly light up there. All right? We don't even need that light right now, so I'm going to shut that one off if I can figure out how. Of course I can't figure out. There, I shut that off. So now we got a dark motor, okay? But there's the overhead Milwaukee light. That's kind of useless, isn't it? I mean, you can pivot it. And it's pretty, hanging from the roof. But how does it help you down there, working on the top of the engine? Well, what I use is this right here. Now, that's a Milwaukee, not made by Milwaukee, but you know what? It uses a Milwaukee battery. And that's your windshield glass, and that's a 4.7-inch industrial aluminum suction cup. And this is a 36-inch long flexible metal gooseneck that goes to a 12-inch long light bar that is encased in polyurethane resin, puts out 1,300 lumens, and that's a stainless steel swivel that allows articulation in any direction, like an airplane propeller or like a ballerina. And if we're going to work on the top of the motor, let me turn it on, okay? Let me put the light down nearby. Let me turn it on. Here's the switch right here. And boom! Okay, so now let's take the light and let's put it inside there above the intake manifold right after. Isn't that wonderful? Look at that. Okay, and you can take this light, you can put it any which way you want. I can turn it at any angle, any pitch. Want to work on the heater box? Work on the heater box. Want to work on the motor? Work on the... Don't have to hold it. No hands. Okay? There are those of you that say you like your headlight better. Okay? Well, all I can say is, really? Okay. This is the Goose-Grip Mechanics Worklight Vacuum Suction Plate. It retails for $200 on Goose-Grip.com. And you can throw away this digital camera looking thing with straps that bolts to your cranium, gives you a headache, makes you itchy, makes you sweat, and heats up your forehead. But those of you, there are some boneheads out there that think this is the best there is, okay? Well, folks, no. This is the best there is. Right there, 1,300 lumens. Put it any way you want, any pitch, any angle. That's Goose-Grip. And that has a lifetime warranty, and you'll never, ever look back. Okay? Take a look on Goose-Grip.com. It's really, really cool. There's no light better in the whole wide world. It has a color rendering index greater than 90, and to kind of let you know what that means, sunlight is 100. This is rated at higher than 90. No shadows. It's just like sunlight. And you're going to love it. Goose-Grip.com. Take a look. I'm out.